Hello students, have a nice day. Myself Neeraj Mishra, the computer teacher of your school, again came back with a new video in which I shall explain about the next point of the chapter 1 of Unit 3 for class 9. As you know, the title of the chapter is Benefits of ICT in the field of Benefits of ICT, means ICT. So here, the topic about which I am describing is a benefit of ICT in the field of healthcare and medicines. As students, as we all know, ICT affected our all fields of the life. The same also affecting to the field of healthcare and medicine. We should not forget the gadget Fitbits, which assist us in maintaining our health and fitness. ICT made possible to get our medical reports online, or even go for an online checkup and consultation. There are no two ways about it. Technological development in healthcare have saved countless patients and are continuously improving our quality of life. Not only that, but technology in the medical field has had a massive impact on nearly all processes and practices of healthcare professional. Electronic health records replacing, that is based on the ICT, replacing outdated paper records, and has been a massive game changer for everyone in the medical world. ICT enabled services are used in the field of healthcare and medicine for doing different tasks such as keeping records of patient healthcare and scanning and diagnosing different diseases. ECG, EEG, ultrasound, CT scan are performed by computerized machine which is based on ICT. Here are some benefits of ICT in the field of healthcare and medicines, which are as follows. The first, ICT helping the medical surgery during the operation to the medical surgeon. ICT-based telemedicines in the healthcare field easily maintaining and managing the patient's information. Third, ICT is helping the medical students to get a high quality medical education. ICT based centralized hospital management. We know better about a software specifically designed for maintaining, managing the hospital system. And this centralized hospital management system easily helps to manage the institute and colleges where the students are studying. ICT enables us to easily maintain the electronic medical reports. It also enables to maintain and manage the database of patients, which can be accessed from any place and from anywhere. Means anytime, anywhere, their database related to their health record can be accessed. ICT also made the treatment process of poor very easy and effective. Next one, ICT now made possible the treatment of the people in rural area too, because the digital system also spreading their links to all around the world, also in the rural area. ICT also made possible to easily know and learn about the symptoms of any disease more accurately. Today, we all are acquainted with the COVID-19, the effect of COVID-19 virus. If you know, or if we require to know about the symptoms of the COVID-19, we can better come in touch with the internet to get the information regarding the symptoms of the COVID-19. So this is also possible. This is also possible due to the advent of the ICT. It made also possible to know and explain about any disease more easily and accurately. So after this, we just have to say there are countless usage of ICT in the field of medicine, in the field of medical and medical diagnosis and medical fields. So after this line, the related topic is completed. Will you meet you again in the next video? Till have a nice day.